Welcome, today I'm part of me HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's just unlock our smartphone and then we should tap to the settings. After that, click to the home screen and wallpaper and then tap to always on display section. Here we can change the display mode from all day to by scheduled, so we can set the start and the end time, and we can also tap to show on the screen. If you wanna use here the images, just one from this available images. Also, if you want, you can use your image from your device gallery from here. We can change here the style of the clock, the layout, the color of the date, time, to show the battery status, the date and time, notifications. So if you want to use also the different another times like the graffiti, the artistic times, the analog clocks, digital clocks, and just more different times from the for this time you should pay. Here you can find also free times, but to use them you should be connected to the Wi-Fi or another mobile data. For example, let's use this one. Just let's click here to download and tap to apply. Now let's lock the device. And we can see that the always on display feature successfully changed. So that's it, that's how to customize AD on our HUAWEI smartphone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.